Today we're going to find out if this $8 accessory kit for the AirPods is actually worth it or not. So this kit comes in a cool little case. It's not really a hard shell, but yet it is pretty rigid. I mean, you can smash it, but it's a pretty cool case that zips up. So let's unzip this and take a look at what all comes in this $8 accessory kit. Okay, let's pull out all these little pieces here. We'll get to these in just a little bit. Okay, first off, the star of the show is this little silicone cover for your AirPods case. By the way, this does come in, I think, blue, pink, and red. I think that's the colors that it comes in. There'll be a link in the description below this video where you can go check out all the different colors. But yeah, it's pretty much straightforward. Just slide the AirPods in here. One thing I will note that I like about the AirPod case, whenever I open up the AirPod case, it kind of stays open and then I can get the AirPods out pretty easily like that. So keep that in mind. When you put this in here and then we close this down over the lid and make sure it's on here really good. It's very cool looking. I like it with this protective case on it. However, now when you go to open it, it doesn't fully open. It kind of has a little spring to it and it doesn't fully open, and you kind of have to hold it open to get the AirPods out. That may not be a big issue to you, but that's just something that I noticed with it. It also comes with a couple different like keyring style clips that you could use to clip this maybe to your belt loop or something. Or I guess you can just stick it on a keyring. You could do it either way. You could put the keyring through that and then clip it on something. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. There's two different ones. There is basically like a chrome, and this kind of looks like a bronze. That's the two different clips that it comes with. It also comes with the silicone covers for the AirPods themselves. So let's see how one of those looks. So the silicone cover just kind of goes over the AirPods like this, and then it'll go in your ear. And there's a little thing here that'll kind of help hold it in your ear. If you have a problem with it falling out, this mic can help. I really don't have a problem, so I really wouldn't use these. They fit in my ear good without them. But it also comes with a black and a white just a cord, pretty much silicone cord. Just simply slide the AirPods through the little hole here, and now instead of completely wireless, you actually have a little tether cord here that you can put around your neck, put the AirPods in, and then that way if you take them out, then you don't lose your AirPods. You can still charge it with the case on. You can get to the charging port here, and then you can also get to the power button. It has a little place here where you can press, say the power button, the pairing button, whatever. You can use that. But yeah, the case feels good. You know, it's silicone. I have a feeling that it's going to collect some dust, but so does the AirPods. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Leave me a comment. What do you think about something like this? Would you use one of these cases on your AirPods? I thought I would just share this with you. That way you can see my thoughts on this. For $8, it's really not too bad. If you're looking for any of these accessories, it's a pretty good deal. Besides, the case itself is kind of interesting. You could use this with just your AirPods. You wouldn't have to use it with these. So yeah, there's a win. If you enjoyed this video at all, please hit that subscribe button. When you do, tap the notification bell. That way you don't miss anything. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.